She's a ridiculous pop phenomenon. I don't know why people put her records on. And I will never be sleeping happily until she is gone. It was a Saturday, it's always a Saturday. I couldn't wait to go down the street to meet my date. She came skipping along, singing her favorite song. It's so wild, everybody's wild. Everybody's got her number. Yeah, 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 yeah. She's an original, no, she's the only one. Listens to nobody and dances with everyone. Give her a chance, you'll see how turned on you'll be, and she'll never be gone. It was a Saturday, 3 o'clock on a Saturday. I was sitting in the sun, waiting for my friends to come. Somebody struck up the band, no, I'm not a Superman. It's so wild, everybody's wild. Everybody's got her number. Yeah, 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 yeah. How can I explain when she is like my leader and my lover and the star in my darkest sky? How to make it plain to you all when she's my protector and my fighter and the light in my darkest hour. Light in my darkest hour.